So in my last video, I said towards the end of the video that I was going to come on and share with you my plan for trying to strengthen my hair so I could really solve the issue that I'm having with losing locks from the root. When I first shared that I was having this issue with my Sisterlock consultant, and I shared it with two consultants, my regular consultant and then the consultant that actually facilitated my Sisterlock self-retightening class. Both of them kept saying that the possible issue with me losing locks was more of a medical reason. There's a medical issue or a nutritional imbalance that's causing my locks to come out at the root. So during a recent routine annual physical, we also had to do lab work, and I talked to my physician about it, and she ordered some tests to be able to just rule out anything medical that could be causing any form of hair loss. So the good news is everything is good medically. There's a couple of small things to tweak, but nothing major at all, and nothing that would contribute to hair loss. So the good thing is I don't have anything medically going wrong that could be contributing to my hair loss. But I did want to share with you a couple of things, three things that I'm going to work on to help strengthen my hair in the hopes that I won't lose any more locks. So one thing is going to be working on the inside of the body because, the hair is coming out of our scalp, and what we're putting into our bodies is what our bodies is going to manifest on the outside, right? So I have one thing I'm doing is nutritional base. I have another thing that I'm doing that's more external, more of a treatment for the hair. And then the third thing is just the way I'm going to actually handle my hair for the duration of this calendar year to see if that will help as well. So let's talk nutrition. So for me, diet wise, my diet is this. I eat the right things more often than the wrong things. So that's what I try to do in my mind. I try to keep things as balanced as possible. But one thing that I feel like I can do better in when it comes to my hair is consuming more protein. Now, I am not a vegan, I'm not a vegetarian, but I also am someone that doesn't eat like a whole lot of meat based products. So I eat meat, but I don't eat tons of it, right? So I'm kind of concerned about that being a potential issue for the lack of strength in my hair. So I'm going to start adding a protein powder to my breakfast smoothies that I drink most mornings, and I'm going to choose to do the Garden of Life raw organic proteins. This is what this looks like. I purchased this product from my local grocery store, but they also sell this product at Whole Foods grocery stores. And then, of course, if you have Amazon or if you go to the Garden of Life website, you may be able to purchase it there. My reason for choosing this product is one, it's a plant-based protein. So I really was excited about doing something plant-based. And also it doesn't have added sugar, which is something that I'm trying to monitor for health reasons in my diet. So that's why I chose this one. This cost almost $30. So it's not a cheap product, and you get about 19.75 ounces of product in here. The good thing is that this is a very high protein product. Looking at the back, there's about 22 grams of protein per scoop. And so that's really good. You get a number of scoops. There's about 20 servings or 20 scoops worth in here, and it's a pretty big scoop. But you can also halfen that if you want to kind of stretch the product out so you can make it a whole month getting some additional protein. But so far I've used this for about a month now, and I really like it overall. So time will tell if this will help with the overall strength of my hair nutritionally, but it's worth a try, and it can't hurt to do a plant-based protein. So this is what I'm going to add to my diet to help with the strength of my hair. Since hair is made of protein, my hope is that this protein will help with that. The second thing I'm going to do is more of a treatment for my actual hair. So I asked my Sisterlock consultant about a good conditioner that I can use on my hair. I know in the lock community to use a conditioner or not to use a conditioner is a common debate. And I know with Sisterlocks we're often told, especially when your locks are still in the locking process and you're not fully locked, you shouldn't use a conditioner. But I explained to my consultant that I really want to strengthen my hair because she's also aware that I've been losing some locks. So she recommended this product, It's the It's a Tens brand Miracle Leave-In, and it's the light version. This particular brand, if you're familiar with it, has multiple products in their product line. And my consultant recommended this one, the light one, with the hopes that it wouldn't weigh down my hair. How I use this is only on wash day, and I use it just like you would a traditional leave-in conditioner if you're using only on wash day. So wash my hair, get out the shower. I've got my hair in its bundles and those braids, and I spray each braid from the root to the ends with this product. And that's it. I don't use it in between washes. It's not an everyday moisturizer. It's strictly a treatment that I use on wash day. I've used this product for about a month and a half now, and I really, really like it. I really, really like it. It doesn't leave any residue. It doesn't weigh my hair down, and my hair feels conditioned, but it's not negatively impacting the locking process. So I don't feel like my locks are unraveling or coming undone when I use this product. I would recommend before you run out and get this yourself that you ask your consultant if your locks are ready for this type of product. At the time of this video, I'm about a year and a half into my journey. So you can kind of compare where you are in your journey to see if this is something you may want to add. But again, my goal with this is to add conditioning to my hair with the hopes that it will strengthen my hair and help my hair not to continue to come out at the root. The last thing I'm going to do is more with styling. So I have naturally very fine hair that's average density as well. So I don't have really dense, thick hair, and I never have. So I have to be very careful about the styles that I do. Now, the great thing that I love about locks in all its forms, whether it's traditional or Sisterlocks, freeform, whatever it is, what I love is that they're effortlessly beautiful. Like you don't have to do a lot to your hair when you have locks from a styling perspective and even from a maintenance perspective, which is great. But you get bored, right? Sometimes you want to change it up. And so I'm going to make sure that I don't do too many tight styles or styles that can cause any tension on my roots, because I really want to make sure that I can keep my locks and quit losing them from the root. So these are the things I'm going to try. Trying the protein powder, trying the It's a 10 product, and then trying to make sure that I watch the type of styling that I do. And hopefully the combination of all three of these techniques will prevent me from losing future locks. So I want to do all of this for a few months. So I'll be giving you an update on it, but I want to give my hair and my body some time to adjust to all of these changes to see if it'll bring about some positive results. So give me a few months and I'll be back to let you know how it goes. So I hope you're staying healthy and safe and taking care of yourself. And I'll talk to you later and see you in the next one. Take care.